Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has recently formed another quite long down channel on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here you can see that for the past several days it is still moving inside this channel. By the way, here you can see that the price line has also formed a double top, and now after the formation of this double top, there is a probability that the price line may again test the support of this channel. However, in order to test the support of the channel first, we will need to break down this very long-term support of $350, and in case of breaking it down, it can drop down at the support of this channel. By the way, there is also another formation, an expected formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see that this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this can be the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And therefore, there can be a probability that the price line may also follow this formation of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, where we also form this double top as well, the price line can start a very massive move, and it can also break out. Before that, by the way, it can also break out this down channel as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish versus shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 12% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days it is moving inside this quite long down channel, and while hitting the resistance of this down channel here, you can see that the price line has also formed a double top here, and now it is trying to break down this quite long-term support of $350. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $350 has been previously working as a very strong support here. And now, again, for the past few weeks, it is breaking as a support and resistance. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a nice support and strong support for the price line. And let me take you back to the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that at the same time, the price line is also forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And here we have the formation of the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, until or unless the price line will be not forming lower price than the head. This inverse head and shoulder pattern will be valid. However, if the price line will be move more down and test the support of the channel or this long-term support of $270, then it can form another lower price than the price of the head. Then this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be invalidated. So far, so good. The price line did not break down this support of $350. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support. And in case of another reversal from this support, the price line can follow this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the technical target for this breakout, because this is a neckline, and neckline is slightly higher than the resistance of the channel. Therefore, first we will need to break out the resistance of the channel, then it can break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the target will be here. That will be approximately at $570. And the target for the breakout from this channel, the technical target for that breakout will be here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $700. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout as well, and I've been telling you that once Bitcoin Cash will break out this wedge, then we can expect a very, very massive parabolic bull run, and you can see that parabolic bull run has begun. And so far, from this low when it was testing the support of the wedge last time here up till this high, you can see that so far it has rallied more than 647%. And now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this wedge, that move is still due. Despite this very long-term rally, the price did not hit that target, and that can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $1,600 to $1,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.